Hi, today I want to talk about a topic that sounds really exciting at first: the export tax refund in China. Many foreign entrepreneurs hear about it and think, great, less tax to pay, more profit to keep. But just like a big discount during a sale, it might look like a good deal, but in reality, you could be spending more. Let me tell you a story about Alex, a furniture designer from France. Alex came to China and opened a small company that produces custom wooden chairs and coffee tables. He sells them mainly to Europe and the Middle East. In his first year, his total sales were around 1.8 million RMB. At that point, he had to make an important decision. Should he register as a small-scale taxpayer or a general taxpayer? It's like choosing between two game modes, each with its own rules, perks, and traps. Option 1. Small-scale taxpayer. As a small-scale taxpayer, you don't pay VAT when exporting. Alex exported 1.5 million RMB worth of furniture and didn't pay a single yuan in VAT. Nice and clean. He also sold 300,000 RMB worth of products inside China. His VAT on domestic sales, just 1%. That's 3,000 RMB. No complicated refund applications, no stress, just focus on the business. Option 2, general taxpayer. This one sounds tempting because you can apply for a 13% VAT refund on exports. Sounds like free money, right? Well, not so fast. If Alex still exports 1.5 million RMB, in theory, he can get back 195,000 RMB in tax. But to do that, he needs to collect VAT invoices from all his raw material suppliers. If just one supplier doesn't give a proper fapiao, refund denied, and it gets worse. If he sells 300,000 RMB domestically and doesn't have enough input invoices to balance, he pays full 13% VAT. That's 39,000 RMB. Compare that to the 3,000 RMB he would pay as a small-scale taxpayer. Big difference. So what's the point here? Don't get blinded by the idea of a VAT refund. If your export volume is small, your suppliers are not used to issuing fapiaos, or your accounting team is small, being a small-scale taxpayer might actually be the smarter choice. A lot of foreign business owners in China make this mistake and end up losing money instead of saving. So if you're planning to register a company in China or you're not sure about your taxpayer status, feel free to reach out and tell me your case. I'll help you break it down clearly and maybe even save you thousands in the process. Thanks for watching.